Hey guys, y'all said that you loved this cat so much. His name is Cookie. We have 4 cats. No, 4 pets. Come here, Cookie. And Nala, come here. Nala. Oh, this is Otto. Nala Shy. Nala. Hi, baby. Now, I'm going to show you my very shy animal. His name is Figaro. That's my sister. Where is he? Ew. That's a throw up. Bro, is he in my room? Nope, he's not in my room. I know where he is. Piggy. Piggy John. Nope. Bro. Figaro. Yeah, well, I can't find him. That's a shame. Is he over there? Alright. Cookie. Y'all, can I be famous for once and get all the subscribers? Like, please, 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 please. Yeah, well, guys, please, just like, please. Can I just be like famous for 2 minutes? No, 3 minutes. Like, please. Can I just let this video go viral and get a lot of subscribers? Because I'm actually trying to beat M's Soccer Star. So please, guys, like and subscribe. Emily, if you see this, please do it too.